Okay, here we have the Three Stooges. They're sitting in chairs waiting for the waves. Here we go. Here it comes. See, there is marine life here on the shores of Destin. Grant's out there. Here it comes. And yes, we are the only people on the beach doing these antics. And once you fall down, you just can hardly get up out of these waves. Oh, there comes someone to rescue them. Well, that's a good thing. In the back, in the distance, you can see the parasailing, which is what we get to do tomorrow.